First, always remember when you're sitting, sit on a comfortable pillow. Okay, sit comfortably in any position you like. And I have taken this position because I find it comfortable. It's called the Yoni-asana. It's for women, and for males, it's different. For males, it will be like left foot in. For females, it's right foot in. You can sit with your palms facing upward, your palms facing down, whatever way you like. Eyes are closed. Take a deep breath. Come to the present moment and just be with yourself. There's no one judging you. I'm not watching you. So just be yourself. Eyes very gently close if you like. If you don't like, you can keep it open and gaze at one point. I like it closed. I love when my eyes are closed and I'm talking and I'm sharing from my heart. So roll your shoulders up, back and down. Straighten your back up. So ऐसा feel करना है कि जैसे maybe एक string attached है from the top of your head and that has pulled up your backbone, entire backbone straight. और कुछ discomforting नहीं, but it should feel straight, okay? Not like military straight, but straight, which gives space to each and every column of your backbone. Okay, so because usually we do not pay attention, so today we have to, because it's all about going within, connecting with yourself, understanding where is it that I'm not trusting the process, where is it that I'm storing my insecurities, my fear, my anger, my guilt. So we'll just work on that, okay? Now slowly join your palms in Namaskar. Take a deep breath into your chest. Expand your chest. Again, inhale. Exhale. Continue. Trust your own self. Focus on your heart region, the chest region. Feel each and every muscle, each and every cell is expanding as you inhale. And as you exhale, it's contracting. Once done, with your eyes closed, pray to the Shakti you believe in, the superpower you believe in. अपने आराध्य का ध्यान उनसे pray करना. The reason why I'm here on this mat today, in this session today, may I achieve it. Now bring your palms down. As I said, palm facing up or down is your wish. Now start doing deep belly inhale and exhale. Why we are doing this, I'll explain you, okay? There are no rules today. It's your comfort, your connection with yourself that we are going to focus. Continue with deep belly breathing. Science has proved now, whereas in our ancient scriptures it was already written, that every disease is an emotion stored in the body, okay? Sage Patanjali 5000 years ago had said that Adhi Jo Vyadhi, all diseases are stored emotions or stress, okay? I recently did Vipassana. It also teaches the same principle. It says that every emotion that you have felt, not just in this lifetime, in your past lifetimes, is also stored in your cells. Can you imagine? So, if you're feeling any pain, if you have any discomfort, if there is a lot of weight in your body, okay, so it's of course which is manifesting right now, It's more of your present life karma or present life emotions. But if something is from by birth, then it's from your past life. The human life is all about letting go, trusting the process, not getting attached to the emotions. Deep breath and a sigh from your mouth. Now let's concentrate on few chakras, very important, where we hold our emotions. Okay. First chakra where we hold our emotions is our throat. So just keep your left hand on your throat and then right hand on your throat. Just touch. Okay, if you want, you can touch at the base or you can touch at the neck, wherever you feel comfortable. I'm keeping it here like this. Now go and breathe into your throat. Inhale as if you're breathing into your throat only. So I follow this book. I've named it many times. It's called You Can Heal Your Life. It's by Louis Hay. Anybody can read it. And that book is like my Bible. Like, I check for every disease, any discomfort, all the clients coming to me. I always check what's written there and it gives me the right answer. So when you say thyroid or throat chakra, is it like you're not speaking about yourself? Okay? जब हम अपने लिए बोलने से डरते हैं, अपने हक के लिए बोलने से डरते हैं, या रुक गए, बोला नहीं, out of respect, out of guilt, out of not trusting, वो emotion store हो जाता है thyroid gland के आसपास, और that's why we get thyroid. So just breathe in into your throat, breathe out and from your throat. Now bring your hand to your heart region, so left hand, then on top of it the right hand, just very gently you've kept, okay? Focus on your heart and breathe in into your heart, breathe out from your heart. Feel that you're energizing these energy points. Heart chakra, the Anahat, as the name of our company, of our wellness hub, Anahat. Throat chakra is called Vishuddhi. Breathe into your heart. What you're doing right now is you're energizing them, you're giving them better energy. Inhale, exhale. Breathing and energizing, and feel each and every cell, each and every RBC, that is your red blood cells, your WBCs, the white blood cells, all are getting activated because of your breath. Keep a smile on your face, be very happy. Remember, you're here for a reason. You're doing it for a reason. Take a sigh. Now bring your hand on your abdomen, so left on your belly, then right on your belly. Inhale into the belly, exhale from the belly. Continue. So in my body, I have realized that I tend to store emotions in my belly region or my lower abdomen region, or it can be the uterus. I don't know what it is. So we don't judge, we just let go. So in your body, it can be throat, it can be chest, it can be shoulders, it can be hips, thighs, wherever you're storing. Keep inhaling and exhaling into your abdomen. Inhale and energize. Inhale and energize. Now take a deep breath and exhale from your mouth. Take a sigh. Okay, आजकल सबसे ज़्यादा emotions जो stored हैं, they are in your shoulder and neck region. Okay, क्योंकि एक तो हमारी हैबिट्स, जो हम ऐसे बैठते हैं, ऐसे कंफर्टेबल नहीं बैठते हैं, ओके। और दूसरा, वी टेंड टू फील, तो इमोशन क्या है जो आपका यहाँ पे स्टोर होता है? वो इमोशन है कि आप बर्डन ले रहे हैं हर चीज का। आप सोच रहे हैं कि आई एम रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर एवरीथिंग, मैं ही करता हूँ। यू आर नॉट द डूअर, डूअर इज ऑलवेज द गॉड, always the Almighty. You're just a medium through which things are happening. Remember this. Okay. Let's start with a very powerful. It's called eagle pose. Okay, but we are doing it only for the shoulders today, not for the entire body. Okay. So keep your hands at the shoulder level like this. First, open. Take a deep breath. Now feel that you're breathing into your shoulder area, your neck area, behind, back. Okay, we are talking about the back side. Feel that you've taken the breath there. Okay. Now right हाथ को ऊपर से, right hand को ऊपर से लाना है और left hand को नीचे से, and just interlock like this. I'll do it again so that you're able to understand. And like this. Okay, right hand ऊपर है. Now इसका रूल क्या है कि आपकी जो एल्बोज है वो इन लाइन विद योर शोल्डर्स है, नीचे नहीं है, ऊपर नहीं है, शोल्डर की लाइन में है. ओके, तो नमस्कार भी कर सकते हैं, हाथ को इंटरलॉक भी कर सकते हैं. अगर आपका हाथ सिर्फ इतना आ रहा है, इट्स ओके, डू नॉट गेट वरीड. ओके, नाउ फील, देखिए कैसे शोल्डर ब्लेड में स्ट्रेच आ रहा होगा. जस्ट इफ यू आर डूइंग इट राइट, होल्ड इट, क्लोज योर आईज, and very slowly take your chin to the throat. Oh God, see the pain you're feeling, the stretch you're feeling in your shoulder blades, in your neck region, chin to the throat. Now let go. Keep breathing and feel that with every breath, you're releasing something stored from there. Affirmation can be, I let go of any emotion that is negative and is stored in my shoulders, in my neck region. I let go of any emotion that is negative and is stored in my neck region, my shoulder region. Just let go, keep breathing. If you feel tired, slowly release your hands. Bring them down. Lap, keep your hands on your lap. Now again focus on the shoulder region, the neck region. What are you feeling right now? कुछ heat, energy, कुछ feel हो रहा है, release हो रहा है. Be happy. You're releasing emotions. So in Vipassana it says that how you can release emotion is that you just pay attention. You're not judging. You're just witnessing what you feel in your body. And that will let go of the past karma, of the past emotion. So this is what we practice today. Now we'll do it with the other side. Again, open your arms at the shoulder level. Now left hand up, okay? Left hand ऊपर से जाएगा, right hand नीचे से, and interlock. Remember, it's at the shoulder level. I'll just show you from the side also, like this. It's at the shoulder level, okay? And now, inhale there and exhaling, take your chin to the throat. The stretch in your shoulder blades, just notice and feel as if you're letting go. Believe it. जो हम मानते हैं वही सच है, हमेशा याद रखिए. तो अगर आपने बिलीव कर लिया that you are letting go of your emotions, your subconscious mind will let go of the emotions. Keep breathing. Let go of the emotions stored in the shoulder region and the neck region. If you feel like crying, it's okay. Okay? If you get emotional, part of healing. Just bring your hands down, relax. Again, focus on the shoulder blade region, the neck. कुछ पेन, कुछ डिस्कम्फर्ट फील हो रहा है तो इट्स ओके, जस्ट ऑब्जर्व, let it go. Feel as if some dark clouds are leaving your body, you know, all the emotions, your negative held emotions are leaving your body like a dark cloud from each and every cell of your shoulder region, neck region. Just release. Feel the changes in your shoulder region, in your neck region. Some lightness somewhere, और कहीं पे हो सकता है ज़्यादा tightness feel हो रही हो. और अगर ऐसा है तो you can practice the same again tomorrow and let go of that. Okay. Now we'll be doing it for the backbone. The entire backbone stores a lot of things. So I told you to keep a blanket. If you have, you can keep it under your knees because it's all about comfort today. Okay. So I'm keeping this blanket under my knees. I don't want discomfort for any part of the body today. Let's do a cat and cow. It's called Marjorie also. And we're releasing the asanas. Okay. How do we do that? Oh, sorry, we're releasing the emotions through the asanas. So cat and cow is like this, tabletop. अब यूजुअली हम ऐसे ऐसे करते हैं, आज हम थोड़ा फ्लेक्सिबल होके करेंगे. ओके, सो हाउ डू वी डू दैट? Inhale and exhale. Just swing your body as you like. Swing your body. करना वही मूवमेंट है बैक का, अप डाउन, बट यू कैन डू इट विद अ flow, not like an asana, not like a punishment. It shall be like a flow that you're enjoying it. Now comes the emotion releasing part. How we are going to do that? हमें puppy pose में आना है. So what is puppy pose? Take your hands आगे लेके जाने हैं. यहाँ पे ऐसे, so chest नीचे आया है, okay? और head भी नीचे चला जाएगा, like this. Keep your forehead to the floor. And what is happening here is focus on the front side. So difficult लगेगा, it's okay. Let go of your emotions from your front, the heart region, the chest, the shoulders. Let go. Whenever you feel ready, slowly walk your hands back. Sit in Vajrasana. Okay, now how do I prove that you have emotions stored here? Okay, just right now, press here under your arms, all the areas, here, here, here. Okay, There must be some pain. Somewhere you'll feel the pain. Okay? That's emotion stored. That's you not stretching your body, plus your emotions are stored. And it's directly connected with the heart. So that's why in later stage it leads to blockages in the heart. Difficult लगेगा ये करना क्योंकि letting go of emotion is not easy. Very, very difficult. हमें हर चीज पकड़ के रखने की आदत होती है, छोड़ना बड़ा मुश्किल लगता है हमारे लिए. Now the next is pigeon pose. Okay, now that is for releasing the emotions from our pelvic region. Okay, how do we do that? अपने पैर को, राइट पैर को आगे ले जाएंगे. ओके, तो ऐसे ऐसे रख देंगे. क्योंकि ऐसे रखना सबके लिए पॉसिबल नहीं हो पाता है. सो इट्स ओके टू कीप योर feet towards your pelvic floor, knee towards the chest or towards the front, and back foot is flat. Okay, so just being here, हाथों के सपोर्ट से. अभी स्ट्रेच कहाँ पे आ रहा है मैं आपको बता रही हूँ. एक तो यहाँ आ रहा है आपके इनर थाई पे, यहाँ पे आना बहुत जरूरी है. दूसरा दूसरी तरफ यहाँ पे पूरा ये एरिया जो है आपका हिप का और इनर यानी कि पीछे क्वाड्रिसेप्स, back of your thighs, inner thigh. Just be here. Eyes are closed. Focus. अगर राइट पैर आगे है तो राइट पैर में ज्यादा स्ट्रेच आ रहा है. लेफ्ट में फ्रंट साइड पे, राइट में बैक साइड पे ज्यादा आ रहा होगा. सो जस्ट फोकस. लेट गो ऑफ एनी इमोशंस देयर. ब्रीद इनटू योर पेल्विक फ्लोर. पेल्विक फ्लोर क्या होता है बेसिकली? जो मसल्स, जो बोन, जो पूरा स्ट्रक्चर हम यूज करते हैं बैठने के लिए, उसे पेल्विक फ्लोर बोलते हैं. तो उसी पेल्विक फ्लोर में आपका लेडीज का यूट्रस, बॉयज के पेनिस, टेस्टिकल्स, प्रोस्ट्रेट, योर ब्लैडर, योर लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन का एंड पार्ट, वो सब वहीं आ रहा है. सो जस्ट feel that you're releasing any emotions which are there. Breathe into your pelvic floor, breathe out. Breathe into your pelvic floor, breathe out. अगर आप बहुत डीपर चले जाएंगे, आप इमोशनल फील करना शुरू कर देंगे. स्पेशली फॉर वुमेन, जब वो यूट्रस पे फोकस करेंगी तो उनको बहुत इमोशंस फील होंगे. लेट इट बी. फील दोज इमोशंस. Now slowly, as you feel comfortable, change the pose. Okay. अगर आपसे पिजन पोज करना डिफिकल्ट हो रहा है तो मैं एक दूसरा आसन भी दे रही हूँ. तो अभी लेफ्ट फीट से आप वो कर सकते हो. अगर आपसे पिजन नहीं हो रहा है तो बेसिकली पैर को आगे लाना है और ब्लैंकेट अगेन रख सकते हैं अंडर द नी. अगर नी में पेन हो रहा है या नी डिफिकल्ट लग रहा है नी ऐसे रखना. एंड ऐसे भी आप होल्ड कर सकते हैं. इट्स कॉल्ड अश्व संचालन. ये इससे भी आप सेम इफेक्ट दे रहे हैं अपने पूरे पेल्विक फ्लोर को. तो अगर आप पिजन पोज नहीं कर पा रहे हैं आप ये कर सकते हैं. आई विल बी डूइंग पिजन पोज. Hold. Focus on the pelvic floor. Focus. For females, I would say focus on your uterus. For males, I'll say focus on your prostrate. Prostrate. Where is prostrate? I'll just explain. आपके ब्लैडर के जस्ट नीचे, टेस्टिकल से ऊपर, that's your prostrate. So feel there inside. Women, feel your uterus and just inhale and exhale into the uterus. In your heart, you can even say sorry to your uterus. अभी एक बहुत अच्छी बात बताती हूँ फॉर फीमेल्स। जो यूट्रस है ना, उसमें सिर्फ आपके इमोशंस स्टोर्ड नहीं है, उसमें आपकी मदर के और आपकी मदर की मदर के इमोशंस भी स्टोर है। वी कैरी द एग्स in our uterus. They are from 3 generations, okay, not just ours. That's why आजकल जो ये इमोशनल हीलिंग्स और ये सब आ गई हैं, पहले वो क्यों नहीं थी? क्योंकि पहले गर्भ संस्कार होता था, पहले कंसीव करने से पहले यूट्रस की पूजा की जाती थी, यूट्रस में से कुछ भी अगर कुछ नेगेटिविटी होती थी उसको निकाला जाता था थ्रू मंत्रा चैंटिंग एंड ऑल दैट। और अब वो सब छूट गया, तो इसलिए अब बहुत ज़्यादा इमोशनल प्रॉब्लम्स आती हैं गर्ल्स में। तो you have to let go. Huh? Your emotions are not just yours, they are emotions of grandmother also from your maternal side. For boys, it's for the paternal side. So for boys, if you have emotions stored in your prostate and testicles, and if you have any problem with your drive or your emotions, or releasing your emotions because of your great grandfather and grandfather, okay. We can talk about it later. It's taught in Garb Sanskar. Slowly bring back, okay. Now we'll do the last practice for the day, okay. We've already stretched it. So what you're going to do is, ये आपको अपना ब्लैंकेट अगर आप रखना चाहें तो ऐसे रख सकते हैं, अगर नहीं तो आप सीधा भी लेट सकते हैं. Just what I want you to do is butterfly lying down, okay. Lying down butterfly is our last pose. We'll just leave the practice there, okay. I can even use a pillow along with this. Just like this. Now, Baddha Konasana. Another way is you can keep pillows here also to support your thigh. Just release, relax. Again, focus. Same pelvic floor, thighs, पैरों तक. Keep your hands on your abdomen, lower abdomen, pelvic region. Feel that you're sending energy from your hand into the pelvic region. Inhale and exhale. Let go of anything stored. Feel that you're letting go of anything stored in the pelvic region. If you feel like crying or releasing your emotions, you can continue with the practice. After this practice, you can even do journaling, just writing your heart out. जो भी आज फील हुआ सेशन में वो लिख सकते हो. Join your palms, bring it on your forehead. Say thank you to the Almighty, to the superpower you prayed in the beginning. Let go.